Hello and welcome to the part 2 when I'm going to be reviewing the Lego My Own Train. If you haven't watched the first part, go watch the third episode. That's the first part of this set. The reason why I'm going to be reviewing it again, well, not all of it, but because I'm going to show you how to use power functions in this train set without using 9B train track. So let's get down to it, and yeah. So then, here's the box as I've been showing you, and the instruction booklets I've shown you before in the third episode. Yeah, and the tender one. Okay. And what you do is that you put the IR receiver in there, and the battery box in there with the motor at the bottom, and you link it all up like you normally do. And just use it as normal for any other train. Turn it on as normal, and then there you have it. So this is a quick episode, but it's a part 2 of the one in episode 3. So if you haven't watched it yet, or you haven't been bothered to, well, you better watch it right now, so you can know much more about this set than I have said right now. So, I guess I'll see you in the 11th episode, which will be on Tuesday, the, well, 9th of December, I think. If you just go have a look. Yep, Tuesday the 9th of December. As you can see, if you've missed or haven't watched the last episode, which was on last week, you better go and watch it. It's the 9th episode, and I was reviewing the Mini Cooper, and the episode before that I was reviewing the Lego campervan. So if you haven't watched them yet, you better go ahead and watch them right now, because you have got a month and a few days until the 11th episode will be on. And in the 7th episode I reviewed the high-speed passenger train. So what you do is you go on YouTube, and you can go on playlist if you want, but by going on it, obviously. So, and you can watch the teaser trailer, is what I think it is anyway, of the story so far, and some more information about episode 11, and a Christmas special that you have wanted me to do with, you know, the review show since I started it 9 months ago. So if you want to ask questions about that, put them in the comments at the bottom, and I can only answer yes or no to your questions. Here we go. Oh, it looks like it's working now. Well, right then, these are the playlists I have got, and you go down to the one that says Braden's Review Show Series 1, which has 9 videos right now, but will become 10 when this episode is uploaded. And there you have it. So don't forget, the 11th episode will be on the 9th of December. Don't miss it, and don't forget to watch it. And keep an eye out on another teaser trailer for the Christmas special in middle of November. That's bye for now, and thank you for watching this short episode of my review show, and don't forget to subscribe to me.